Good day from the Office of the Mob Justice Football. Here comes your advocate, Advocate Ndebo. If you like the content, just press the plus on top of your right so that you can be part of big family. Just wanted to put in detail of what really transpired today. Put some of the factuality based on the information gathered, based on the poster that has been posted, and based on the factuality of what can really happen going forward. As you are aware, today around about 10 o'clock it was supposed to be the ticket sales for the Nedbank finals between Kaizer Chiefs Football Club and Orlando Pirates at Moses Mabhida. It was announced that within 2 hours tickets will be going on sale on a official PSL page and other number of platforms, because it was of public knowledge that tickets are going to be sold today. People went there, others 2 hours before whatsoever, until those tickets started to sell. The first link that went out, it was the first link of Open Ticket. Please be able to differentiate between Open Ticket and CompuTickets and Ticket Pro. Those things are not the same. So we stand on a queue from 3,000 something, from 18,000 something, until you keep on counting, consuming your data by that time. Keep on counting. Maybe round about 14 minutes to 11. That's when the tickets started to appear at the store, which is Shoprite and Checkers. When the nonetheless, that didn't win. No one, I think, managed to buy through Open Ticket link. Then when you go to the store, it does appear as then they're able to sell it, but unable to print it. They try to call Open Ticket, they try to call CompuTicket, a number of them, all the stores busy calling. I think they even have a WhatsApp chat where they were posting even there, until they get a response that everyone must be refunded, because there was a reference, but system cannot be able to print the tickets. When that happens, and then second link, it was CompuTicket. We managed to board there. I also bought my 4 there. I got an email and all those stuff with a reference, but no tickets still. Because usually when you buy using Ticket Pro and CompuTicket, you get your tickets at same time. But with Open Ticket, tickets will be made available on the following day. Nonetheless, we wasted our time until they refund us at 2 o'clock. And remember, who are the two retailers that are into distribute by this particular time? Is Checkers and Shoprite. They are the one dealing with a vast number of people, some that are willing to understand, some that are not even willing to understand. Nonetheless, they refund us, and then we made peace with it that hour from 10 to 2. It can't be possible by just faith, maybe. I don't know. Then Jiggy another message, because when they try to log into the system, it says that it's sold out. And then, okay, it's sold out. That then it is like that. But what worries me is the two parties that are also involved, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, not even a single official message to their beloved supporters, whom I wish they love and appreciate. Not even a single message. And the only message that we were receiving was coming from CompuTicket that now we had an issue, we have resolved it. Go back to the system, same thing, Dololo. Now we have issue, we have resolved. Go back to the system, nothing. That was CompuTicket acting on behalf of who? OpenTicket. Now my biggest question is, beside all the challenges that we face with Ticket Pro, beside the till slip which are become fraudulent, as simple as the CEO of Stadium Management has highlighted, what is really OpenTicket? When was OpenTicket opened? Who are the main beneficiary of OpenTickets, to be honest? And why is CompuTicket so silent in this scenario? Meanwhile, the retails that works with CompuTickets are the one whom the reputation is at disrepute, because since I followed football, since I've been a football lover, this incident has never happened. Nothing of this nature has ever happened. And what makes whoever that is involved to shift this game from Ticket Pro? Because remember, Ticket Pro was communicating with us on their page that tickets are coming soon, please keep an eye, and wara and all those things. Then Chiki vanish, then it's OpenTicket. What's really happening? Because to be honest, now this it's taking away the experience of a supporter. It doesn't have that thing. There's someone that wanted to live tomorrow so that they can be able to catch the game of Golden Arrows, and then they sleep there, Durban, the whole week. How about that particular supporter? How about someone that still need to reserve even the accommodation? How can you go and reserve accommodation? Meanwhile, tickets are not yet out. What is the plan for the lost time of today for customer experience? What's the way forward? Because even now, I was listening to Marawa, not even a CEO has managed to come out and tell the people this is what the situation, tickets will be available at that particular time, because even tomorrow when we wake up, we'll be blank. We are being taken for a ride. And it just, unfortunately, no one questioned anything, and we don't have journalists in South Africa. That has been proven by a Saleng situation, because no one will ever tell you the factuality of the story, because we all copy and paste. But it is there. Aye, man.